Assalamualaikum, my name is Ikrata and I will teach you the subject economics. First of all, moving toward the lecture, first of all, you should subscribe my channel, like it, share it and comment here. Now move toward the question. Question is asked in four different ways, that is the cardinal approach, Chickson analysis, indifference curve and the consumer equilibrium under the utility. Cardinal utility approach. Examiner can ask anything and you write the same thing in four types. And next step of the basic step of the question is, that is introduction. In introduction you should write that the indifference curve was developed by Frankes, Pescado, Edgeworth, and the theory depends upon the laws of diminishing marginal utility and equimarginal utility, and it is in the form of rank, not in the form of numbers. And next step of the question, that is in definition. In definition you write that a curve that shows the same level of satisfaction at each and every combination of two goods means that the level of combination is remains constant at the edge, known as you see in the diagram and the table as well, that the combination of two goods remains the same. As we form this type of table and write the combination x, y and s level and minor rate of substitution. After that we write the combination a, b, c, d, e and then the value of x, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that the value of y, that are 11, 7, 4, 2 and 1, and the s level remains constant, that is k, and minor rate of substitution changes according to the same level of satisfaction. After that move towards the next step of the question, that is diagram. And diagram we form the x-axis and y-axis as you see in the diagram. After that we write the y-axis 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 and 12, and the x-axis, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We mention the points according to the table, and after that we write here that the indifference curve in this form. After that we write the explanation of table and diagram, and the next step, that is budget line, and the curve that shows the same level of expenditure at each and every combination of two goods, that is called budget line. The same level of expenditure at each and every combination of two goods, as you see know in the table. What's happened in this x-axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the same level of satisfaction you see. And on y side you see that 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and total expenditure at rupees 10. And as you see that the each and every combination of two goods, that remains constant at the same level. Hope so you understand. Now move towards the next step of the question, that is diagram. As you see the same thing in the diagram as in the form of table. Now move towards the next step, that is equilibrium of consumer. In equilibrium of consumer, the show that IC curve slope, which is equals to the slope of budget line, as you see in the diagram. Now move toward the next step of the question, that is assumption. What are the assumptions of the IC curve? That are rationality, ordinal utility, diminishing marginal rate of substitution, two commodity model, and preference are continuous. These are the 5 assumptions of IC curve, as you see in the in front of screen. Now move toward the next step of the question. That's one is limitations. What are the limitations of this question? Old concept with new words. Difficulty in the measurement of minor rate of substitution. After that, irrational behavior, then the two commodity model, then perfect competition. These all from my side. After that you write the conclusion, and if you need any guideline you can freely comment on my channel. Thank you. Hope so you understand my